podcasting. Grab a pen. Okay. So I think we need to do part 2 together.
Right.
And I was like, okay.
Part two. So did you guys cut out the little numbers?
Yeah, I did. Did no one else?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah, I did. And choose 5 of them randomly.
I didn't know what to do. You're just supposed to.
Okay. So part two, the first one says randomly select 5 of the 30 salaries, and then find the mean of the 5 that you picked.
Oh, so I'm just supposed to randomly
Shuffle them up and randomly pick 5.
Oh. Okay. Am I the only one that cut it out?
I got them cut out.
Yeah, I do too.
Okay.
I thought they were the easiest to just cut out instead of do the other way. I was like,
Yeah, I didn't even bother to look. I know there's a link where you can randomly do something, but I didn't bother looking at that. So.
Okay, so I'm just supposed to find the mean.
Of the 5 that you chose, yeah.
Reminds me of bingo.
Right? Number 2, 18, bingo. All right, I've got my mean.
What?
I've got the mean for my 5.
Okay, I got mine too. Okay. Okay, what's your mean?
I got 47040.
Not too far from mine.
What's yours?
4,900.
4,900 exactly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mine, I got 4,800.
You got 4,800?
Mine is 42,760.
Yeah. We're all pretty close-ish. Except you, Chelsea. You're just far away from everyone.
Of course. Take that with me.
So we got one on the far left, one on the kind of far right, and then 2 somewhere in between.
Yeah.
Okay. So it then says, of course, place your mark on the graph where your mean was.
I think mine is this one.
And then, does your sample mean appear to be unusual? Explain why you think it is or is not unusual.
I don't know. Yes? I don't think it is. Maybe it's it's like mine is too far to the right, I guess.
Mine's a lot to the left.
A lot to the left, yeah.
42.
Danielle and I are kind of in the middle, so I wouldn't think it's unusual.
Huh.
But I don't know, put together though, it all seems quite, expected.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
More means towards the middle, maybe 1 or 2 to the left or right. Mm-hmm. Okay. So then compare the means with everybody else, which we already did. And it says, what do you notice? Da-da-da. We already talked about that.
Together. Oh, we already compared ours.
Yeah.
Yep.
You're one step ahead.
Head of the game. Okay, so number 8 is giving us a bunch of information for a graduate management admission test.
Mhm.
And the first one is asking, what is the shape of the distribution of the sample means for all such samples? Actually, I guess I should have asked, did anyone have any questions when going through the prep
No,
assignment?
I was good.
Okay.
No, I was good.
Some
Some parts of the reading confused me, but I just had to reread everything again.
Yeah.
I think some of the wordings on the part 1 of it were like really weird wordings. I don't know.
In the prep assignment or just the readings itself?
In the prep assignment, some of the wordings are really weird.
Yeah, I feel like I have to read each question like 3 times and be like, okay, now I know what's going on.
Yeah. Well, I was like, what are they even asking? So I was like, I don't know.
It's very confusing. Yeah, the sample mean of the mean of the means means. I'm like, oh my gosh.
I know. I was like, okay. Like, can you just use different words, please?
I know, yeah. Agreed. Agreed.
I'm glad they have the answer keys though, because then it helps me to
Yeah,
understand.
that is nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because without that, having nothing, to compare it to, I just been like, I think I got it right. Maybe I got it right. I don't know.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Okay. Do we have to use that link for this question, or are we?
We shouldn't need to, I don't think.
I know.
I don't think we do.
No. I got shaped normal.
Shaped normal.
Yeah, like normally distributed.
Normal, yeah, normally
That's
distributed.
what I got. Let's see what the answer is. I don't know. I think it'll be normal because that's.
Well, it says when it describes the scores, it says the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed, and they said in the reading if it's normally distributed in the parent,
Then it's normal.
then it's normal.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's why I put normal on that.
Oh.
Oh yeah, then down in B, how do you know that the distribution of the sample mean has the shape? Because the parent
That's so.
population is normal.
Yep. The parent population. But did they even give us the parent population? Like, I mean, like the numbers for the parent population.
Well, they don't, but it just says that they're normally distributed.
Yeah.
So like I had because I had other questions on like the homework that it would tell you if it was normally distributed, right skewed, left skewed,
Yeah.
and so forth.
Okay. I think it is. It's just, I don't know. Statistics is kind of weird. It's easy, but like weird. I'm like, I'm not used to like it not having a lot of like numbers to like mess around with.
It's interesting. I wasn't used to that either.
Yeah, I was like, but I think it's normal. It's just like I just don't have the numbers to look at it. I guess is what's like throwing me off right now.
Oh yeah. Okay, I see what you mean.
Okay.
Okay, number C. Or number C.
Isn't it just the same of what they give us?
Yeah.
It's saying me.
529.
Yeah, 529 exactly.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
And then D. I've got 35.734.
Let me do the math in mine.
That's what the answer key said too, so.
Because, okay.
Wait, what did you get?
35.734.
And how'd you get that?
I took the standard deviation and divided that by the square root of the
Oh,
number that you took, which was 10. The
okay.
sample 10, the square root of that, which is
Oh, yeah. I forgot to square root the 10.
2. Yep.
Got it. Okey-dokey.
Yep.
Cool. And that's it. Well, for the prep at least. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do we feel ready to take the group
Quiz.
Lord.
Yeah, I would like.
11 questions. It's not bad.
I don't
Not bad.
class.
Really like 9 questions.
So it's 10 questions? I'm sorry. Is that what you
So,
said?
Well, 9 that we actually have to answer.
yeah, that's true. That is true.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Number 3.
I'm taking the samples. Mm,
So, correct me if I'm wrong, but since it's saying the parent population is right skewed, and the sample that you take is so low, it should also be right skewed, right?
When they're that low, I remember them being the same.
Yeah.
The same as the parent population?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought so. I wasn't sure. I wasn't sure if my memory was holding true.
Wait, so is it normal or skewed right?
I would say skewed right.
Yeah, I put skewed right.
Okay.
Since the sample you put was so low, it should be
Mhm.
the same as the parent population, which says it's skewed right.
Okay, right.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Okay, so number 4, it's the same except the sample size was larger.
So what was 100?
Yeah.
What number is it till it's like higher? So it would be like the opposite.
In the region it said 30.
Mm-hmm.
So
So that should be normal, right?
yeah.
30 and beyond is normal?
30 and beyond is an adequate sample size that should make it normal, I think. That's what I got from the reading, unless somebody else got something else.
Yeah. But it said it's not a definite number though, didn't it?
It's not what?
Not a definite number? Or
Yeah, no, yeah, I remember it saying like it can vary, but in general,
Like the rule of thumb is
we're
30.
30 and up.
for tremendously skewed distributions, larger sample will be required. But 100 seems like a large sample, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Or like a large enough sample?
Mm-hmm.
I think
That's
so.
what makes it normal, right?
What's that?
Like, because it's 100, that's what makes it normal.
Right. Because the sample size was so large, it normalizes it.
Right. Okay.
I got normal for number 5.
That's what I got.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right? Normal, normal.
Okay. Going with the distribution. Normally distributed. Okay.
Yeah, it's all online.
It's all a lie? Is that what you said?
Sorry, my roommate was asking me a question.
Oh. Oh.
All a lie.
Uh,
Would it number 3 be normal though? Sorry, I know we already passed that. But
number 3 be normal.
yeah, because there's this bullet point that says if the parent population is almost normal, but this is right skewed. Just kidding.
Okay.
Be approximately.
Let's see. Would it be normally distributed and the sample size is large?
Uh,
That's one that I had.
Yeah.
And
I think the last one too, right?
yeah.
yeah.
The second and the fourth one.
Mm-hmm.
I've got all of them except the third one.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Okay.
Because it says that if it's normally distributed, it doesn't matter how many observations are selected, it's always going to be normal.
Right. Okay. And then the one that that I didn't choose, it's like right skewed but small sample, and that definitely wouldn't be normal.
Yeah, that's not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if they want it, they need a, which is, sorry, the last one is like, what's the word for it? It's the opposite of what the third one is saying.
Yeah. Yeah. So right.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. That I can't get the words. I don't know. Parent.
Okay. Number 7. So I got the last one.
Yeah, that's what I got. Sorry.
says it. Last question. Normal. Okay. Sorry. I'm talking out loud. Thinking out loud.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone good with 7?
I think so.
Oh, too late.
Isn't it just 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I got 10 for 8.
And then 9 would be
6?
oh, what's going on?
I got something else. Hold on, let me try again.
Oh, wait.
I got 1.
I got 1 as well.
Sorry.
3 decimal places? What does that mean?
Yeah. What? As far as 3 decimal places, do we have to do anything to the 1?
I think it's just trying to, like,
1.00.
yeah. I think it's just trying to, like, throw us off.
That's a horrible thing to do. I mean, it's just 1.000 then, I guess, right?
Yeah. That's what
That's what your 1.000?
Yeah, because I just got 1 on my calculator. So if they want decimal places, I guess
That is so dumb.
that is, yeah. Like if I got that wrong just because I put 1, that would
yeah.
not be right.
Okay. So here we go. Larger than 30.
Um, regardless of instruction. Wouldn't it be normal?
Yeah, I can't think of. Yeah. Oh. Uh,
Yep.
oh man.
Uh,
Number 11.
Central limit?
Well, that was my immediate thought. I was just
Or is it because it's larger than the sample size is large? Is that a trick question?
Because the law of large numbers states that x will be close to the mean, right? So the mean is 10. And
Well, then I wouldn't say it's a large number then.
Yeah, I would think it'd be the central limit theorem.
Yeah.
yeah, because we're talking about how it's shaped, right?
yeah. And that isn't that the definition for the central limit theorem?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it says central limit theorem states that if the sample size is large, that it'll be approximately normal.
Okay.
So, okay. You want to go through it one more time? Make sure we're all
Sure.
good. Okay. So number 3, we got you right. Number 4, normal. 5, normal. 6, we chose 1, 2, and 4, and excluded 3, which was saying right skewed and the sample size is small. We didn't choose that. Okay. Number 7, if the sample size is large, the shape of the sampling distribution of the sample mean will be approximately normal. So the last one. 8, 10, 9, 1.000, 10, normal, and 11, central limit theorem.
Yep.
Oh boy.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah, 100%. Woo!
Sweet.
Yay!
Good job, team.
That wasn't too bad.
No, that's not.
Like shorter group quizzes.
Yeah.
That last one last week was crazy.
Yeah. It was.
Oh my gosh, yes it was.
Like,
Oh,
upset that they made us cut all this out and we only used it.
right, I know. Did you, Akita, did you get number 1 right when you did the last group quiz?
Wasn't number 1 the one that asked if I prepped myself?
Oh, sorry. The real number 1, not the,
Number 3?
yeah,
Yeah, I got it right.
you got it right. Which one was it that we got wrong that we were confused about? Because I got an answer from the teacher about why we got it wrong.
I do not remember.
I have to get going.
Oh, 17. Okay.
I have
Well,
to go to a
It's
presentation.
next Tuesday because I won't be there for Thursday.
Oh,
I have to take a test.
alrighty then.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
See you on Thursday.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.